Question 1. Which physical quantity is dimensionless? A. Strain. B. Stress. C. Pressure. D. Young's modulus. The correct answer is A. Strain. Question 2. The c unit of angular velocity is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 3. Which of the following is a vector quantity? A. Energy. B. Work. C. Momentum. D. Temperature. The correct answer is C. Momentum. Question 4. The slope of a velocity time graph gives A. Displacement. B. Speed. C. Acceleration. D. Momentum. The correct answer is C. Acceleration. Question 5. The phenomenon responsible for echo is A. Refraction. B. Reflection. C. Diffraction. D. Interference. The correct answer is B. Reflection. Question 6. The c unit of magnetic field is A. Weber. B. Tesla. C. Henry. D. Ampere. The correct answer is B. Tesla. Question 7. Which law explains inertia? A. Newton's first law. B. Newton's second law. C. Newton's third law. D. Law of gravitation. The correct answer is A. Newton's first law. Question 8. The time period of a wave is equal to. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 9. Which instrument measures electric current? A. Voltmeter. B. Ammeter. C. Ohmmeter. D. Potentiometer. The correct answer is B. Ammeter. Question 10. The blue color of the sky is due to A. Reflection. B. Refraction. C. Scattering. D. Dispersion. The correct answer is C. Scattering. Question 11. If no external force acts on a system, which quantity is conserved? A. Energy. B. Momentum. C. Acceleration. D. Power. The correct answer is B. Momentum. Question 12. The work done in uniform circular motion is A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Zero. D. Maximum. The correct answer is C. Zero. Question 13. The dimensional formula of Planck's constant is A. ml superscript 2 T superscript 1. B. ml superscript 2 T superscript 2. C. mlt superscript 1. D. ml superscript 2 T superscript 1. The correct answer is A. ml superscript 2 T superscript 1. Question 14. In projectile motion, the horizontal component of velocity is A. 0, B. Constant, C. Increasing, D. Decreasing. The correct answer is B. Constant. Question 15. The escape velocity of a planet depends on A. Mass of object, B. Mass and radius of planet, C. Atmosphere, D. Rotation of planet. The correct answer is B. Mass and radius of planet. Question 16. In an isothermal process for an ideal gas, which quantity remains constant? A. Pressure, B. Volume, C. Temperature, D. Internal energy. The correct answer is C. Temperature. Question 17. The effective resistance of two equal resistors in parallel is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 18. The power factor of a purely resistive AC circuit is A. 0, B. 0.5, C. 1, D. greater than 1. The correct answer is C. 1. Question 19. The fringe width in Young's double-slit experiment depends on A. Intensity, B. Wavelength, C. Slit width, D. Nature of source. The correct answer is B. Wavelength. Question 20. The average kinetic energy of gas molecules depends on A. Pressure, B. Volume, C. Temperature, D. Density. The correct answer is C. Temperature. Question 21. The moment of inertia depends on A. Angular velocity, B. Torque, C. Axis of rotation, D. Angular momentum. The correct answer is C. Axis of rotation. Question 22. The electric field inside a conductor in electrostatic equilibrium is A. Maximum, B. Minimum, C. 0, D. Infinite. The correct answer is C. 0. Question 23. The magnetic field at the center of a circular loop is proportional to A. Radius, B. Current, C. Square of radius, D. Inverse of current. The correct answer is B. Current. Question 24. The binding energy per nucleon is maximum for A. Hydrogen, B. Helium, C. Iron, D. Uranium. The correct answer is C. Iron. Question 25. The drift velocity of electrons increases when A. Temperature increases, B. Electric field increases, C. Length increases, D. Area increases. The correct answer is B. Electric field increases. Question 26. The stopping potential in photoelectric effect depends on A. Intensity, B. Frequency, C. Distance, D. Area. The correct answer is B. Frequency. Question 27. The center of mass of an isolated system moves with A. Zero velocity, B. Constant velocity, C. Increasing velocity, D. Variable velocity. The correct answer is B. Constant velocity. Question 28. The phenomenon of beats is due to A. Diffraction, B. Reflection, C. Interference of close frequencies, D. Refraction. The correct answer is C. Interference of close frequencies. Question 29. Which device stores electrical energy? A. Resistor, B. Inductor, C. Capacitor, D. Diode. The correct answer is C. Capacitor. Question 30. The critical angle depends on A. Angle of incidence, B. Intensity, C. Refractive index, D. Frequency only. The correct answer is C. Refractive index. Question 31. The de Broglie wavelength of a particle is inversely proportional to its A. Energy, B. Velocity, C. Momentum, D. Mass density. The correct answer is C. Momentum. Question 32. Which experiment established the particle nature of light? A. Young's experiment, B. Diffraction, C. Photoelectric effect, D. Polarization. The correct answer is C. Photoelectric effect. Question 33. In a purely capacitive AC circuit, current A. Leads voltage by 90 degrees, B. Lags voltage by 90 degrees, C. Is in phase, D. Is zero. The correct answer is A. Leads voltage by 90 degrees. Question 34. The uncertainty principle is significant for A. Macroscopic bodies, B. Planets, C. Subatomic particles, D. Rigid bodies. The correct answer is C. Subatomic particles. Question 35. The magnetic susceptibility of diamagnetic substances is A. Positive, B. Negative, C. Zero, D. Infinite. The correct answer is B. Negative. Question 36. The energy of a photon is proportional to its A. Wavelength, B. Amplitude, C. Frequency, D. Speed. The correct answer is C. Frequency. Question 37. The principle of operation of a laser is A. Spontaneous emission, B. Stimulated emission. C. Photoelectric emission. D. Thermionic emission. The correct answer is B. Stimulated emission. Question 38. The work done by centripetal force in circular motion is A. Positive. B. Negative. C. 0. D. Maximum. The correct answer is C. 0. Question 39. In a transformer, lamination of core reduces A. Copper loss. B. Hysteresis loss. C. Eddy current loss. D. Flux loss. The correct answer is C. Eddy current loss. Question 40. The Doppler effect is observed due to A. Change in amplitude. B. Relative motion of source and observer. C. Diffraction. D. Reflection. The correct answer is B. Relative motion of source and observer.